If you want to grow your Discord server, the first thing to understand is this. People do not stay in a server just because they were invited. They stay because the server feels worth joining, easy to understand, and active enough that they want to come back. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to make your Discord server more attractive, get more people in, and keep them engaged. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. First, open Discord web and take a look at your server from the perspective of a new member. Ask yourself one question. If I joined this server right now, would I instantly understand what it is about? If the answer is no, that's the first thing to fix. A growing server starts with a strong structure. Create clear channels like rules, chat, announcements, and voice. Keep your layout simple and organized so new people are not overwhelmed. Too many channels can actually make a server feel empty or confusing, so focus on the essentials first. Next, add a short welcome message and clear rules. This does two important things. It tells people what kind of community they are joining, and it helps set the tone for how they should behave. Your welcome message should be friendly, short, and inviting. Your rules should be easy to scan. You do not need a giant wall of text. You just need enough clarity so people feel safe and know what to do. When people see a clean, well-managed server, they are much more likely to stay. After that, make roles for your members. Even simple roles like admin and member can make a huge difference. Roles make your server feel organized and active, and they give people a sense of structure. If your community grows later, you can add more roles like moderators, event hosts, or special member roles. But for now, start with the basics. The goal is to make the server feel real and intentional, not random. Once your server is ready, it's time to invite people properly. Go to your server, click the server name in the top left corner, and then click Invite People. Copy the invite link and share it with friends, your audience, or on your social platforms. A common mistake is just dropping a link without context. Instead, give people a reason to join. Tell them what the server is about, what they'll get inside, and why it's worth their time. That simple change can improve your results a lot. Now let's talk about discovery platforms. If you want to grow beyond your current circle, you need places where people are already looking for Discord servers to join. Some useful places include Discord, top.gg servers, and relevant Reddit communities. When you post your server, make sure your description is clear and specific. Say exactly what your server is for, who it's for, and what makes it different. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the right people to find you. But getting people in is only half the job. The real growth happens when people stay active. If your server is quiet, members will leave. Even if your invite link is strong, that means you need to start conversations every day. Use simple chat prompts, ask questions, share opinions, and encourage replies. You can also host small events like game nights or voice chats. These do not need to be complicated. In fact, simple events often work best because they are easy for people to join. Another powerful habit is welcoming every new member personally. A quick welcome message makes people feel noticed, and that alone can increase engagement. When someone joins and gets no response, they often stay silent or leave, but when they feel seen, they are more likely to participate. Growth is not just about numbers, it is about turning new members into active members. So here's the full formula. Make your server worth joining, invite people properly, list it on discovery platforms, and keep the community active. If you do all four of these consistently, your Discord server will grow much faster than if you just wait for people to show up on their own. And remember, growth is a process. Keep improving your server, keep posting it in the right places, and keep giving people a reason to stay. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Discord and software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.